Wagwan people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create your own wefts for sewing, for clip-ons, for any protective style you wanna do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and of course, share the video. Drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. And if you're not yet subscribed, then what are you doing? Click the red button. Alrighty guys, jumping straight into it. You're gonna need a thread, a scissors, some here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your own wefts. Alright, so you wanna grab whatever here you wanna use. So I'm using the expression braiding here in the inch 84 inches. You're gonna need a flat iron. So first and foremost, you're gonna tie your thread onto whatever you're gonna use as your anchor. So I'm using a chair today, so I'm just gonna wrap that around the chair. Alrighty, so now we're gonna grab our braiding here. Alright, you wanna detangle it, you wanna separate what you're gonna use, and then you're gonna tie that back until you're ready for it. Alrighty, you're gonna detangle it here. You're gonna grab a small piece, and with this small piece I'm gonna create some little knots onto the thread. So after you finish threading the hair onto the thread, now you're gonna grab your flat iron, and this is what the weft is looking like before, guys. So you're gonna grab your flat iron and you wanna melt the hair onto the thread. Right? I'm gonna zoom this in so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alrighty guys, so now that we've finished melting the hair onto the thread, we're gonna grab our scissors and I'm gonna clip the end of the thread, and then I'm gonna make a knot where the hair stops. And voila! Yes guys, so this is the finished weft. Take a look. Now people, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Of course, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the weft. Now guys, I'm certainly gonna make a wig out of this here. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm rolling it like how you normally get it from a package. And I was supposed to show you how I got the hair relaxed and smooth and those stuff, but I didn't get to do it in this video, so I actually did it off camera. So I guess when I'm doing this again, if I'm gonna make a straight wig, then I'll show you. But if I'm gonna make a curly wig, I'm gonna show you how we make the wig for that one. And voila! So guys, you can go ahead and try this. It's pretty simple, it's cheap, it doesn't cost a lot of money, which is the meaning of cheap, of course, but still. Yeah, go ahead and try this, peeps. And this is the wig that I made from the hair, of course. I actually have a video coming out on how I made this wig, so stay tuned for that part. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.